Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Joya and you are watching my YouTube channel Joy Tech. Today in this tutorial I will tell you how you can get animated avatar on your WhatsApps. WhatsApp has released a very cool feature in his app. Now user can send animated avatar from their apps. To getting this feature on your WhatsApps, keep watching this full video and after that you will all know how to get it. So let's find out how it works. Let's start today's topic. First of all, open your WhatsApp. Now open any conversation. Now down the bottom you can see a emoji, smiling emoji option. Just click on here. Now select your avatar. If you are not created your avatar, please firstly create your avatar on your WhatsApp. Then try these cool avatar emojis. Appears on screen, you can see these are animated avatars now available on your WhatsApps too. If this feature is not available at your devices, then go back. If you are an iOS user, go to your app stores, or if you are an Android user, go to your Play Store and in the search bar type here WhatsApp. And make sure that your application is fully updated or not. If it is required the update, please update it first. After updating your WhatsApp, again try this feature at your WhatsApps. If this feature is still missing at your devices, then don't be panic. Please wait it for the next update. After next update, you will be able to use these kind of avatars on your WhatsApps. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos. Now, if you have any question related this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.